Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable OpenAI API key in organization. To enable your OpenAI API key and set up your organization, start by visiting the OpenAI website. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your necessary details such as name, email, and password to create your account. Once your account is created, log in using your credentials. After logging in, navigate to the API section found in the dashboard. Look for the API Keys tab and click on it. Here, you will see an option that says Create API Key. Select this option. Once you click on it, a new key will be generated. Make sure to copy and store this key securely. Now, go to the Organizations section in your dashboard. If you wish to create a new organization, look for the Create Organization button. Click on it and fill out the required information for your new organization. After submitting the information, your organization will be created. Once the organization is set up, associate your API key with it. Return to the API Keys section and find your newly created key. You should now see an option to link your key with your organization. Select your organization from the drop-down menu and confirm the association. Your API key is now enabled and ready for use with your organization. To test the setup, use an API client or a simple script. Make an API call using your key to verify functionality. If everything is set up correctly, you will receive a successful response. You have now completed the OpenAI API key and organization setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.